This video will explain how to set the flow rate, full scale and 40-20 mA output range. The flow rate unit of measure and scale range are reference points for the measure cutoff and flow rate alarm thresholds. The analog range defines the 20 mA flow rate value. For the MV series of converters, the procedure is easily made. To access the menu system, short press Enter from any of the initial displays. Input an access code level of 3 or above. Then short press Enter. The access codes can be found in each of the respective converter manuals. From the Quick Start menu, short press the up arrow to select the main menu line. With the main menu line highlighted, short press Enter. In the main menu, short press the right arrow to move to menu 2 Units. Then short press Enter. To inspect the unit types, short press the right arrow to scroll down. Short press Enter to select a line. Use the up arrow to change the values. Short press Enter to save. Long press Enter to escape to the main menu. Move to menu 3 Scales. Short press Enter. To set the full scale, select the FS1 line and short press Enter. Short press the up arrow to select the unit of measure and values. Move between the digits, short pressing the right arrow. Short press Enter to save the values. Long press the Enter key to return to the main menu. To modify the 40-20 scale, move to the Outputs menu and short press Enter. Move to the A1S line and press Enter. Set the value using the up and right arrows. Save the value by short pressing Enter. Long press repeatedly the Enter key to return to the initial display to see the result of the changes.